Hello friends, I am Dr. Prajakta Kirange. I am practicing dermatologist at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai since last 7 to 8 years. So today I am talking about fungal infection. I am sharing some general information about the fungal infection which will be definitely helpful for all of you to prevent infection during this summer season. Generally the fungal infection is most commonly seen in summer season, but now the current scenario is that there is a great epidemic in the fungal infection, and the fungal infection cases are seen throughout the year, and more recalcitrant and difficult to treat cases are coming out. The major reason behind this is the use of steroid combination antifungal creams which are easily available at any medical store, and patients do treat themselves without consulting with a proper dermatologist. The other causes for the fungal infection are weather conditions like heat, humidity, sweating, lack of personal hygiene, lack of adherence of the patient to the treatment, lack of compliance of the patient. So it is very important to know in general about the fungal infection. What is the complete cure of the fungal infection? There are two types of cure for the fungal infection: clinical cure and the mycological cure. So what is clinical cure? Clinical cure is when the lesions get cleared from your body. It is called as clinical cure. And the mycological cure takes 2 to 3 weeks more time after the clearance of the clinical lesions from your body. So one should not immediately stop taking treatment or application of the creams and powder after clearance of the lesions from your body. After consulting with your doctor, you should stop the treatment. So there are some do's and don'ts for the fungal infection. What are the do's and don'ts? So avoid using tight and synthetic clothes. Do not use wet clothes. Do not share your personal things like clothes, towels, other fomites with your other family members. This is very important thing to prevent the occurrence of the fungal infection in other family members. Try to use cotton and loose clothes. Use of antifungal powders to keep the area dry whenever you get sweat during daytime. Use of antifungal powders. What is the proper method of the application of the cream? So cream should be applied on the periphery, that is margins of the lesions, with surrounding 2 inches area, and from outside to inside. So this is a proper method of the application of the cream. And the myth is that it is generally considered that after completion of the treatment, fungal infection will not recur. But it's not like that. If you are not maintaining your personal hygiene practices, fungal infection will recur. So now I think it's general information which is very useful for all of you, and for more concerns you can contact with your dermatologist, or you can drop an email to this email id dr.prajaktakirange@gmail.com. Till that time, take care, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.